I just want to show you this letter which I got from the Department of Health and Social Care, Imperial College London, Ipsos MORI, not sure who they are, Ipsos and the NHS, basically saying about take part in the REACT COVID-19 testing research study. Basically saying that, asking for my participation with help of the Department of Health and Social Care, the DHSC, which monitors the level of COVID-19, including any new variants of the virus, and they want to have an adequate method of testing which provides vital information about current infection rates for people with and without symptoms. It says your participation is incredibly important even if you think you have had COVID-19 or have recently been tested. They've chosen me at random. Taking part is completely voluntary. The study is being conducted by the Imperial College London and Ipsos MORI, an independent research organisation on behalf of the DHSC, and then you have to go on to their website and you put in a special code, and then if you haven't got online, you can free phone the 0800 number, then you go online and you put in that special code, and then you fill in the short survey, and then a few days later, now I've done this, they sent me this letter on the 3rd of March, but I've done it on the 4th of March. Then they sent me this envelope. So let's open this and see what we've got inside. Everything, like there's nothing left in here. Biohazard 95 kPa specimen transport bag. Got instructions there. Security seal tab thing there. I think I've got to open that up and put that in my mouth, I think. A little thingy there, stickers there to put on, and I've got this cardboard box here, I think, which is the, I have to open it up and then, well, not open it up, but make a box out of it, so I send everything back. I'm going to read instructions and back in a minute. So we've got everything. This instruction manual, yep, check. One sheet of labels, yep, check one sheet of labels. A sealed pack containing a swab, C1 plastic vial, C2, the same swab will be used on your throat and nose. Guessing it is that thing here. One biohazard bag, I saw here. Yep, return box, yep. Security seal, which I think I saw that. Yep, so that's everything. Make the box. So those flaps go inside. Well, I think I see how it goes. That's pretty easy. So that's making the box. I'm kind of guessing I put this label here onto there. That's that. I've got to put this sticker lengthways, like that. Right, this is what the NHS home testing page looks like, where you have to get fill in your details so you get the career in. And you scroll down and it says important note only uses if you already received your home study test kit, which I have. You can only take a test once you've booked in your career. And once you've done your test, you have to put a label on it and then keep in your fridge until the courier collects it. And you're not allowed to put it in the post box. Only the courier is allowed to collect it from the postman. And it says you need your access code, and you'll be asked for email, and so you press start, and then you put in your access code. And then when you've finished, you get this page. and then be collected. Tomorrow they'll be collecting it. I missed out the middle part because that's all my personal information I don't want to show you, but just to show you the beginning bit and the end bit. This is a video to show you how to do the swabbing test. You scroll down, you have to book the test first to get your courier. Then, like now, before the courier turns up, you have to do the test. You have to do the test on the same day as the courier turns up. I've already done the builder box, and then after your test, you have to do the survey. There it is again in subtitles. Let's do the video. This is about just over 4 minutes long.
This video describes how to collect a throat and nose sample for coronavirus testing. COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a coronavirus, a star-shaped virus that is spread mainly by coughs and sneezes. Coronavirus usually starts by colonizing an area in your nose and right at the back of your throat next to your tonsils. This is where a reliable sample needs to be taken. This test will indicate whether you have the virus now. You have been invited to participate in this research study at random, and the test we have sent you is only for you. The study needs samples from people of different ages. If you are an adult aged 18 or over, you can do the test yourself. If you are a teenager, an adult should watch this video and supervise. If you are a child aged 12 or under, an adult will need to collect the sample from you. Children under age 5 are too young to take part. Before you do the test, you need to book a free courier, either online or by phone. Please enter the 8-character serial number and choose a date. You will be contacted by email or text to say whether it will be a morning or afternoon collection. Please wait until the day of courier collection to do the test. If you have a morning collection, please do the test before 8 AM because the courier will not be able to wait for you. On test day, please read the instruction booklet carefully and lay out the equipment on a flat, clean surface. Pack it with swab and empty tube, plastic sample bag, flat pack box which you'll need to build, the instructions are on the back, and a sticker sheet with serial number labels and an address label. Just before you begin, blow your nose and then wash your hands well with soap and water. Remove the swab from its packet. You may find it helpful to stand in front of a mirror. Tilt your head slightly back and try and keep your tongue flat and untouched in the floor of your mouth. Gently insert the swab to the back of your throat where your tonsils are, or were if they have been removed. Wipe the tip up and down, repeating this about 10 times on each side, twisting the swab as you go by rolling the handle between your thumb and fingers. Be gentle so the stick does not snap. This may be uncomfortable and may cause you to gag, which is perfectly normal. If it does not make you gag, you may not be reaching far enough back in your throat to where the virus would be. Gagging means you are getting a good sample. You may need to stop, pause, and restart, but don't give up. The throat sampling process should take about 45 seconds. Then place the tip of the same swab inside one of your nostrils. Push gently back rather than vertically up, and roll the swab between your finger and thumb. No force is needed. Please repeat this for your other nostril using the same swab. Make sure the cotton wool is heavy with moisture and then place it in the plastic tube without it touching anything along the way. You will need to break or cut off the tip about halfway down to close the lid. Now wash your hands again well, one more time. Then attach the self-adhesive serial number label along the length of the tube like this. Place the tube in the specimen bag and attach another self-adhesive serial number label. Place the bag in the box, seal it shut with the blue and white security sticker, and then attach the address label. Put the box in the fridge until the courier arrives. Please don't post the box. It must be collected. The courier service is free. we will contact you by email, text or post after about a week with your result. Even if you were not able to do the test, or you think it may not have worked, please complete a short online questionnaire about you and any symptoms. It will take no more than 15 minutes and should be done as soon as possible after the test. Thank you for your essential contribution to this important study to help the government measure the prevalence of COVID-19 and to continue to make important decisions needed to control the pandemic.
So that, can't quite see it, I've got to stick that in my mouth and up my nose. Lovely. This is really horrible. This is so horrible. Got to do this like 10 minutes. It's the most horrible thing I've ever done. Now I've got to put this, and then I've got to, there's a break thing here. I've got to put that in there, and then put that lid on there. I've now placed it in the bag, so now I've got to take this off, fold it forward to seal it. Do a very good job there. I suppose that I'll have to do. And there's another, I've got to place this other serial number here. I've got to put it in the box, slightly bigger, maybe if I fold it slightly. And then I've got to place the security seal. I've got to put this in the fridge. What I've got to do now is to wait for the delivery man or the courier man to appear. Thanks for watching. Hope you didn't find that too horrible to watch. At least I'm doing my bit for the nation. Please like and subscribe. Don't just pass by without subscribing. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.